To turn on volume up and down buttons as accessibility shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to add accessibility menu or feature to this shortcut. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap volume up and down button and then select the desired accessibility menu or feature you like to assign to this shortcut. As the example, we will select accessibility, magnifier, luminous outline, and color filter. By doing this, next time you can use this shortcut to easily access accessibility menu, turn on or off accessibility features that you have selected before. As the example, now you can easily turn on color filter with its current setting by pressing and holding volume up and down button for 3 seconds and then select color filter. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.